Today I'm going to make a Hong Kong style French toast with an air fryer. This is my new purchase and my favorite lately as well. It is so convenient. It can actually replace an oven for anything for baking and also frying as well. It can also save energy, as what people said online, because for an oven you need to preheat it. Probably take like extra 15-20 minutes. But for an air fryer, it just directly cooks the food the time that you start the button. So it's really convenient. If you have watched my last video, you will know I have been to a Hong Kong cafe to try out some of the bakery there. And it was £6 for the French toast. It's not saying it is bad, but if I can make it home with a cheaper cost, why not? For ingredients, for one portion of Hong Kong style French toast, you will need 2 slices of white bread. You can actually get substitute of wholemeal, but I have tried it before, it is not very authentic. And remember to get the thick cut as well. And for one portion, you will need 2 eggs, and then peanut butter and maple syrup. I tried this more healthy version of peanut butter, but because it's not sweet enough, it is 90% to the French toast. So this time, I'm going to try with a cheaper version of peanut butter that is more unhealthy but sweeter. And for the golden syrup, I found this one, the texture is a little bit too thick and sweet as well. And I'm going to try this maple syrup that is more liquid, as you can see. One extra thing you need is a shallow plate like this, because after we spread the peanut butter, and we will need the bread to absorb the egg. So we need something like this for later on. So let's get started. And because we're not using oil to deep fry the French toast, instead we're using an air fryer with no oil. So for this step, we need to add some oil into the egg.